Airplane passenger takes pictures of UFO as his flight passes close to top secret Area 51 military base, but is there a more rational explanation? An airline passenger claims to have captured images of a UFO giving off bright lights and orbs on the ground near the top secret Area 51 military base. The witness was on an American Airlines flight from San Jose, California to Houston, Texas, when he took a series of pictures of a giant metallic disc in the Nevada desert. He said the plane was flying near Luning and Gabbs on October 30 when he noticed blinding bright light in the desert below.